They tell me that I'm never gonna make it.
Top of the morning. It is really early. It is about 4:30 in the morning, and as you can see, I am still dumping data, but the goal is to go get Promise, and we're trying to get a sunrise photo shoot. So it should be an amazing sunrise, hopefully. Hopefully the clouds don't cover it, because it's saying it's supposed to be really, really cloudy. But that's kind of the plan of attack right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and get that underway.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I think this life could be special if I get rid of the devils. They think that I am a rebel, I think they want me to settle. There's nobody on my level. They think that work is too stressful, I think that work is essential. The grind is all in your mental, and I don't think you understand what I'll go through just to be in control of my life soon. All the negativity, man, I'm immune. I don't really need a mask with all I've been through. I've been making changes for the ages. 5-10 year plans are contagious. I attack that shit, I'm tenacious. And if you ain't, get the fuck out of my way then.
But it is very windy right now. I think that was a pretty good accent. But no, it is extremely windy. Yep, we're going right there. 1, 2. One, two. So that is a wrap. The sun is coming up. So now I'm about to try to head back to the Airbnb and try to utilize the pool before checkout time. Ironically, you gotta check out 10 o'clock. So I'm going to get every square foot of that Airbnb utilized, okay? So let's go ahead and head back. Hey. All you gotta do is hit it, baby. Done packing. We are in the beautiful city of Wynwood. Let me guess. I'm gonna get out a breakdown. So you know the lingo. I heard a certain type of talk coming from my left side, right? So and it sounded familiar. So I just knew they had to be from where I'm from. So who do we have here?
Hey guys, I'm Aaliyah. You can follow me on Instagram, Leah McKenzie, Liyah McKenzie, McKenzie.
I'm Taylor. You can follow me at __TAYY Marina.
So y'all hungry too?
Yeah. Y'all see this good food right here?
Y'all, this is good.
It's great.
Okay. Look, now don't worry about me sitting right here. Just, I know y'all like to be ladies, but y'all can't grow up down.
I know, I'm about to go crazy. Like, it looks good. You did that. You did that.
Okay.
You did.
Yeah, I see it. Yeah.
Yeah, like. Crack it up! Crack it up! I gotta go!
Dame más, dame más, dame más. Uno, dos.
¿Y los pies así o así? Both? Okay. This is your same answer.
That's
On the
it.
question. On
Both.
the question, both. What color both?
¿Cuál camisa?
Both.
Pantalones. Both.
No.
Zapatos.
What do you want?
Okay. 1, 2. Perfect. Perfect. Perfect.
Came around shortly after that. I wasn't on tour at the point in time, and I was like, well, I don't mind being on the other side. She has been allowed to, or how much she's been able to explore the versions of that and her journey with time.
Okay, we are coming to the end of this trip here in Miami. But what better way to end it with food, right? Okay, I'm tired, shoot went well, but let's see, macaroni, okay? Macaroni. Split tracks, cut tracks, multiple tracks every day, just so like you're trying to figure out in real time. Dance captains that put together the mathematics of that are Sweet potato.
otherworldly. It's just such a skill set, such a talent that Broadway would not exist with the offstage coverage.
That's it right there.
And it certainly wouldn't be
That's it.
sustainable. It never was.
All right.
And certainly now. I'm so happy
Red.
that
Let's see.
attention is finally being brought to these incredible aliens that
Falling off the
have
bus.
come to rescue Broadway, because that's what they are. They are heroes.
I would recommend this restaurant. Hope y'all enjoyed this vlog. Y'all know the deal. I'm about to head to Fort Lauderdale Airport, go through the security checkpoint, and I'm about to go to sleep.